Hi, I'm George, the Weather Dad. Do you believe it? It's been 1 month since we launched the Weather Dad. So now I think it's about time I give you kind of an idea of where the format is actually going. On Sunday nights, about 6, 7 o'clock Eastern Time, I'm going to give you a planning forecast for the week that's coming up. Now, as we go through that week and I see something interesting developing on the weather scene, I'm going to update you, kind of like what's happening here today. This is the weather map that I think is going to look like on Thursday. Now, let me give you some points of reference because there's a lot going on here on this map. There's Chicago, Illinois, Minneapolis, St. Paul, there's Canada up to the north, there's the northern border, Salt Lake City, California, there's Florida, and of course there's the Northeast and Maine. Now again, on Thursday, I think this is what's going to be happening. Now remember, Sunday night, I did talk about a very cold air of high pressure pushing down. I also talked about some developing storm systems down in Texas. Where they meet is going to be the battle line. You can see here a lot of green, that's rain, the yellow, thunderstorms, some red or pink right there, that's ice, there's the problem, and also maybe a little bit of blue, that's snow. You see more blue up in Canada. So where these two air masses meet, the very warm air from the south, the very cold air from the north, that's where we are going to have some trouble. Here in Cincinnati, maybe a little bit of light snow, but I think there could be some ice accumulation right across that area, central Kentucky, northern Tennessee, and that will push off towards the east. So there could be some very difficult driving come Thursday in this area as this whole system does push off towards the east. Now, there is some good news here. As this cold, high-pressure system pushes down, we'll see more sunshine but very cold temperatures through most of the northern tier of states. But it's also going to push this moisture down and the storm system down to the southeast. And I think by Friday or on Saturday, Florida, you're going to be seeing some much-needed rain. This is your dry season, so anytime we can get some rain down in your area, that's always some pretty good news. Now again, if things change, I'll be back on giving you a weather update. I'm George, the Weather Dad.